Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC amadi Waikhom Mani Girls College Thoubal na sinduna Climate Change Challenges 3C and Sustainable Development haiba hiramda Thoubal okramda leba Waikhom Mani Girls College ki Conference Hall da numinini chumna chatharakpa National Seminar ngasi Loisinkhre ngasi ki seminar loisinbagi thoram aduda Dhanamanjuri University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Rajmohan Singh Waikhom Mani Girls College की Principal Professor H Manoranjan Sharma UGC BSR Faculty Fellow su oiriba Manipur University की School of Science की ex Dean Professor Pratap Yadav Island Development Authority of India की Member Secretary su oiriba Planning Commission of India की Former Director Dr. Uma Shankar IFS amasung Khandola Marcela Goa da leiba Government College of Art Science and Commerce की Principal Professor Purnakala Vasant Samana Adhoi Bamitung, Tauram Mapu Amasung, Akana Bamitung Sing Oina, Saruk Yaki. Tauram gi Saruk Ama Oina, Numidini Chupna Chatariba, National Seminar Asigi Report Putopoga Loinana, Seminar Asida Saruk Yakiba, Dignitary Singda, Memento Sing Kudol, Tamduna Ikai Kunubasu Utki. Conference all the Pangto Kiba, Seminar Lucinba Numiki Humsuba Technical Session da, Manipur University Department of Geography. Head of Department Professor K.H. Pradeep Kumar na Chairperson Oikibaga Loinana, Dhanamanjuri University ki Department of Environmental Science ki Assistant Professor Dr. Naurem Sarita Devi na Resource Person Oina Wangang ki. Seminar Hall da Pangthokiba Mari Suba Technical Session da Island Development Authority of India ki Member Secretary su oiriba Planning Commission of India ki Former Director Dr. Uma Shankar IFS na Chairperson Oikibaga Loinana, Thoubal College ki Department of Geography ki Head of Department Professor K.H. Jugindro Singh amasung Manipur University ki Department of Education ki Head of Department Professor K. Sitaljit Singh na Resource Person Singh Oina Wangang ki amadi Seminar aduda saruk yakiba tongan ba Dignitary Singh na magi seminar paper sing presentation tauki.
That it will be very much beneficial to all us, especially the young scholars and faculty members. We all know this global warming and resulting climate change are among the most serious environmental problems and challenges we are facing the world over. Climate change is, I have given in my message also, that it both cyclones, frequency of floods and droughts, melting of ice and rise of sea level is another problem, and the risks of agriculture and vulnerability of ecosystem, hurricanes, typhoons, tsunami, cyclone, etc. are also very much related to climate change. The defining feature of the present Arctic system, permanent ice in the Arctic area, is now completely lost. And it was said by Jonathan Overpeck, University of Arizona, very recently announced. And we have many impacts and consequences of climate change and climate variability. I think everything I have already discussed by resource persons as well as the paper presentation.